It is my great pleasure to welcome all of our commencing students to Term 1 2021. Whether you are here in Australia or beginning your UNSW journey overseas, please know that you are all very much a part of our community. As we head into a new academic year, and many of you set foot on UNSW soil or connect with UNSW online for the first time, I want to thank you for choosing us as your home for learning, for professional development, and for personal growth over the coming years. While the way your lectures are delivered may be a little bit different from what you expected or hoped for, UNSW's ability to produce world-class education and research has not changed. We are here to support your academic endeavours and help you to continue to learn, so that ultimately you can contribute to society with your newfound knowledge and skills. As we all know, there is much more to university than academia and your studies, and I encourage all of you to make the most of your time here, whether you connect with your peers via a peer support program or get involved in UNSW's vibrant student life through one of ARC's many clubs or societies. As important as it is to feel a part of our community, it is also essential that you all know about the support services UNSW has to offer our students. Whether it's academic assistance, our counselling and psychology services, financial, accommodation or health assistance. If you find yourself experiencing hardship during the year, please don't feel you're alone. Connect with one of our support services or visit the nucleus. When you're on campus, please do make sure that you're up to date with COVID-19 protocols regarding wearing face masks, scanning in and social distancing. And please don't come onto campus if you're unwell or if you've been in contact with someone who has been unwell in the previous 14 days. UNSW is absolutely committed to the safety and well-being of all of our students and staff, and we will continue to take precautions to protect you all. As we await the time when we can all be on campus together, I encourage you to look after yourselves and to look out for one another. Together we will make your time at UNSW a safe and a memorable experience, and we look forward to welcoming you all on campus in future. Be safe, have fun, and have a great Term 1.